here's a very interesting story. A group representing around 3,500 South Africans employed abroad has made an urgent application for an interdict against the South African government. Members of the organisation Locked in South Africa, or LISA, are stranded here. They want to go back to the countries where they have jobs. They were paying a visit to the country before the lockdown implemented and have now become stuck in South Africa. Nadine Tehran has the story.
60 million rand. That's how much money it's estimated South Africans working abroad have lost in the past month, simply because they've been stuck here since lockdown measures were instituted. The group Locked in South Africa wants government to help speed up the process so these people can return to the countries where they're employed. The International Relations Minister, Naledi Pandor, says she understands their plight and supports their return. But she says each application for permission to board international flights is being reviewed individually. Some people stand to lose their jobs if they don't go back by the end of this month. Many are teachers in Asian countries. Filiwe Ngwenya visited South Africa earlier this year to attend to her grandmother who was very ill. Now she's stranded.
All my health insurance, I have my phone contract, which I have not finished paying. I have my housing contract, and I'm going to now go into arrears because I'm not paying. I'm not there to pay for all of that. So now I fear that I'm going to turn into a criminal in another country because I'm not able to go back. My contract with my employer will unfortunately finish this June if I don't make it back.
1,500 South Africans want to go back to the USA where they work in the agricultural sector. They use their salaries to help local family farms here in South Africa. The US government has pleaded for their return as they play a crucial role in the American food production chain. LISA's lead coordinator is the Western Cape Legislature's Deputy Speaker, Beverly Schaefer. The group is calling for new draft regulations to be gazetted, giving citizens who are employed or living abroad blanket permission to return there at their own cost. Until then, they hope a court's interdict against governments will allow them to leave. Nadine Tehran, Cape Town.